Hi guys, I'm sorry to say this, but I'm quitting YouTube. I don't know if I'm a kid. I just want to say thank you, and it's okay if you all hate me. And this is my last goodbye. And please, even a small YouTuber would never give up on their dream. Trust me, they will never give up. So, um, this is my final goodbye. I'll never ever. So, I'm never ever going to push YouTube again. So, bye bye. This is my last words. Goodbye.